Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars. Watch her wide-eyed memories ignite. Hold her real tight, whisper, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me and the stars. Far light years away, does someone gaze at the Milky Way? Dream under the stars, nestled into her father's arms. Does he watch her wide-eyed memories ignite? Holds her real tight, whispers, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me and the stars. Be in the stars. Even if we're miles apart, when you look up at the stars, you're back in my arms, oh my dear. If you raise your children right, they will see you in the sky. Hold their own real tight, say my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me and the stars. Clock strikes midnight, fireworks light. For a moment it feels just right. Smiling faces, warm embraces, possibilities all ignite. Then the next morning I drive to work. People annoy me and I'm spilling coffee all over my favorite shirt. Why do my New Year's resolutions never reach their full evolutions? Faced with the day, it all fades away in January. This year I'll be patient. I'll see beauty in all the little things. promises fill the room. I still fear it all melts way before spring. 'Cause the next morning we're late for school. People annoy us, and being nice just ends up making us feel like fools. Why do our New Year's resolutions never reach their full evolutions? Faced with the day, it all fades away in January. Writing down a list of all the changes, plans and fancy phrases. Can't it be enough to always try to do our best? What if my New Year's resolutions never held any real solutions? What if each day, sunshine or gray, I wake up and say that I'll let this day take me?
Everybody's got a problem that they don't know how to solve. Like life don't make no sense at all. And everybody feels something that nobody feels. Hurting takes some time to heal. Everybody's got someone that they wish they could call when tears turn into waterfalls, and everything keeps moving but you're standing still. Hurting takes some time to heal. Are you going through something that weighs on your mind? When any consolation isn't easy to find, but you never want to show it and you keep it concealed. Hurting takes some time to heal. I've seen